How to check active status on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can check active status on Instagram. So before we begin, if you have not updated your app, just go ahead and update your Instagram to the latest version. For that, you can open up your app store, go to the search bar, search for Instagram, and after Instagram comes up, if you see an update button instead of open, tap on it and update the app. After you've updated your app, you can open it up, and after you've opened up your app, you can just go to your this section right here, that is your DM section. And if you have turned on active status, you will be able to see if other people are active now or not. But if you haven't done that, that means that you have turned off your active status. So what you can do in that case is just go to your settings, go to your profile first, then tap on the three lines on the top right, and after you hear, what you can then do is just scroll down until you head over to messages and story replies, and right there you can see who can see that you're online. Head over there, show activity status, and turn this on. So after you've turned this on, that means that other people who are online will be able to see that you're online, and you can see if other people are online or not as well. So they can see that I've turned that on, but still most of my friends have turned off active status, so I cannot see if they're online or not. So yeah, they will need to have turned the active status setting on as well for me to be able to check their active status. And I hope this answered your question, and yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.